What's going on, guys? And today I have another Beyblade Burst unboxing. We have Doomscizor D2. Let's get on to the unboxing. Alright, let's get them open. Alright. That part. This is Doomscizor D2's energy layer. Alright, here's the codes. Alright, next piece. This is Doomscizor D2's forge disc, Force. It's a really cool forge disc. Alright, show you guys the next piece. This is Doomscizor's performance tip, Jaggy. It's blue instead of yellow. It's a really cool tip. Alright, so let's battle. Alright, so I'm going to battle Dark Doomscizor against Victory Valkyrie, and I'm also going to battle him against Killer Dethscizor and Longinus. So the first Beyblade Doomscizor we'll take on will be Victory Valkyrie. So let the battle begin. First Beyblade to get 2 points will win. Round 1, 3, 2, 1, let it. Next battle. Alright, so round 2. 3, 2, 1, let it. Another standing mount, so Victory Valkyrie wins. Okay, so the next opponent Dark Doomscizor will take on will be longinus. So, let the battle begin. Alright, so let's get started. Round 1. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Dark Doomscizor, 1 point. Next battle. Alright, round 2. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let it. Next battle. Alright, round 3. 3, 2, 1, let it. Doomscizor wins against longinus. So, next battle. Alright, so the final opponent Dark Doomscizor will take on is Killer Dethscizor. So, first Beyblade to get 3 points will win. Alright, let's start this battle. Round 1, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Dark Doomscizor. Next battle. Round 2. 3, 2, 1, let it. So, both Dethscizors have 2 points, so this will be the final round. So, comment down below who do you think is going to win, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, final round. 3, 2, 1, let's